So Elon Musk finally decided to go through with the Twitter deal, buying it for $44 billion. Pretty insane number and pretty insane news, honestly. I thought that he just wasn't going to go through with it. To be honest, it's kind of cool that he did, right? Like, he's following through on his word, because he did talk about it a lot, which made the stock pump a lot. And then it went down because he said he wasn't going to do it. What's really crazy, though, is how the stock behaved right after the news. So this was announced yesterday, and as soon as it happened, the stock jumped 20% on the day, which is pretty crazy, especially considering this market where everything is basically down in the dumps. So as it says here, his original offer price was $54 a share. So technically speaking, if you buy Twitter right now, you're gonna get a better price than Elon Musk did, which is kind of funny to think about. Now, for those of you that are close fans of the channel and you've been keeping up with all my videos, you know that we actually started a trading challenge with a $1,000 account. So this is how it's going. We've actually been through sort of a downfall recently. We almost got to $1,500 and then we kind of went down a bit, but we're on the way back up. So that's why I'm starting to cover a bit of general business news here, just because it does affect the challenge. And personally, I find it pretty interesting. I would love to meet Elon Musk one day and meet some of these crazy business moguls. I feel like we'd get along pretty well. But that's besides the point. I think it's actually good for Twitter for Elon to own it personally. Elon is obviously an amazing business owner, and I think he's going to be able to make Twitter a much better place, which is awesome, right? I mean, the bots on Twitter are getting out of hand. I get tagged like crazy on Twitter from bots. But to be honest, this is an issue across all social media platforms. So all the social media monopolies really need to do something out here about this stuff, because it's getting out of hand. People are getting scammed basically every day by fake profiles. So pretty interesting news. I wonder what this is going to lead to. Maybe it's going to lead to an even bigger social media app that he's planning on. I don't know, but I think this is a big power move. I mean, owning Twitter is basically like owning the town hall of the world, right? So it's definitely a massive strategic move here. It's almost better than owning a media corporation like the Wall Street Journal, which I think Jeff Bezos owns. But I want to know what you guys think. Are you guys invested in Twitter? Are you guys following these news? Maybe you have way more information than I do. Maybe you have some information that I don't know, and you can drop all that in the comments. But that's about it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.